Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss why you should not run traffic or engagement ads if you want sales. I feel like I shouldn't have made a video about this because I'm saying it again and again into podcasts and everywhere that we shouldn't do that, but there are still meta reps outside there that they're just proposing to do this and then do retargeting and all of that.
This situation is a blood-soaked, nightmarish hellscape.
Understand this. These are salespeople, they try to make you spend more money on the platform. They're not people that are knowledgeable just because they work in Meta. They haven't spent any money of their own or any client money in order to learn Facebook ads. They just have seen most likely one seminar or maybe a presentation about how Facebook ads are working, and they're just pretending that they know because they have to reach their goals and they have to, they're just seeing ad accounts and they think that they know, but they don't know because they're not actually running the ads. The concept that you're going to have lower CPM, which means that you can target a lot of people and then retarget them, it's completely wrong, and I'm going to prove it to you in another account right now because simply there is nobody there to convert. Even if you target and you spend a lot of money in all of these traffic ads and engagement ads and then retarget, there's nobody there to convert because it's low quality traffic. Facebook is extremely capable of understanding and categorizing the different tiers of traffic. The people that they convert, the people that they are high quality traffic, the people that they spend a lot of money, the people that they never spend, the people that they have never been in a website or even added to cart or whatever. Even when you do just add to cart, it's going to give you only people that they have added to cart. Let's go into my PC. Let me show you just for a little bit so that you can understand that even if you have lower CPM, it doesn't mean that you're going to have sales, and then I will explain to you more. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So I'm not going to do a very big video about this because there's not a lot of things to say about this. First of all, we're having here a traffic campaign, and here we're having an engagement campaign. They're having very low CPMs compared to the other campaigns. We can see that the last campaign, which is the targeting campaign, it's not being benefited at all by the ROAS, for example. So if the theory was correct that you have to run traffic ads and engagement ads and then retarget, it's going to work? No. But we can see that the cold traffic campaign, which is having 12 CPM over here, it's having some decent results. So running engagement and traffic ads makes no sense, and it's not going to work at all for you. If you're going for purchases or for lead generation, these are campaigns that you're not going to need. Now you have a visual example in front of you, which is actually showing that you're not going to get anything just because you get lower CPM. So CPM, yes, it's important. It's showing how expensive your ads are, but at the end of the day, the sales is what it really matters. I will see you for the closing of the video. So now it's in front of you. It is visual and you can see that it's not working. You don't believe me? Test it in your ad account. It's your fault and you're going to lose money. At the end of the day, let me tell you that there are only small exceptions that this thing is going to work. Exception number one: you are a very big brand, you're having such a recognizability that it makes sense for you to use it, like Coca-Cola, for example, okay? Second, you're having an ad account which is having such a good product, landing page, everything is really good, that even if you do traffic ads, engagement ads, still you're going to have sales. It doesn't mean that you're not going to have better results by running purchase conversion ads or sales ads as we call them now, but still you can have sales over there. But this is another account that you're just misusing on that way, and it's another account that it could run much better with conversion ads. So yes, you can have also their sales because it's just another account that forgives mistakes, and it's a very good account that it's going to work anyway. And the last option, you live in a very small country. You live in Aruba. You live in I don't know anything smaller than Aruba. This is as far as my geographic knowledge goes. But let's say, for example, Greece, Switzerland. If you do big budgets on those, eventually you're going to find some people inside these smaller audiences that they're going to convert, because even if you optimize for add to carts, for example, maybe Facebook is going to find some sales in the people who added to cart only because it has to add also people that they added to cart and they also bought. It's not going to be easy for Meta to just give you people who added to cart. In United States though, it's very easy. It's going to just give you low quality traffic. If you optimize for checkout, only people that reach up to checkout and they don't even buy. I have seen these things in other accounts. I don't believe in them. And let me tell you the last and the most important thing. Just because you are just sending a lot of people into your website, so let's say, for example, that you have 3% conversion rate. Everything is doing well, you're running your sales campaigns. Just because you are going to send a lot of people into your website with cheaper traffic ads, this doesn't mean that the conversion rate is going to stay to 3%. So just don't do stupid math saying that, okay, I'm sending 1,000 people, 3% is converting. If I'm going to send 50,000 people with traffic ads and 3% is going to convert, then I'm going to have much more sales and better ROAS. It is not going to happen because right now you have 3% from good quality traffic. If you send bad quality traffic, you're going to have I don't know, 0.1%, okay? These are the things that I want to say about traffic ads. I hope that I will not make a video again about this because I thought that we stopped with this stupid madness that people were proposing, but I still see some Facebook reps actually proposing it. So there's another video explaining why, but also showing in another account that is not working. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also all the testimonials below from the people completing my mentorships or still are part of my mentorship. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.